In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volkswagen Routan key fob. There are several versions of this device. You can see I have the 3-button version. You might have buttons down here, I think all the way up to a 7-button version. It doesn't matter. The process is going to be the same for all of them, so you can follow along with this video. All you'll need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. You can get these batteries online, and if you would like to, I have left a link down in the description that will take you right over to Amazon where you can get these batteries for a great price. The first step is to come over here and to find this switch on the front. Go ahead and hold that down. Pull that back and hold it down while you pull out the internal key here. Now, if we look in where the key just was, get it to focus, there we go. On one side, we have the keyhole, and right above that, there's a space for you to put a flathead screwdriver in between the two halves of plastic. This ring, this piece of plastic around here, is actually a ring that will pop right off. So what you want to do is put your flathead screwdriver in, find that groove or that space in there, and then you can kind of just twist or pry until this starts to come off, and then you can just pull it off with your fingers, or you can continue twisting just to loosen it up. And this will come apart. This also might be sitting on top of the battery, kind of like that. Doesn't matter, you have 3 separate pieces here. Just take this circuit board and set it to the side, and the outer ring as well. The battery you can just lift right out with your fingertip. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2032, and make sure that you are putting your new battery in with the positive side facing down. So you will just push that into place, positive side down. You can now grab this rubber and the circuit board and just set that on top. You'll need to line it up and make sure that it's sitting on there nice and secure. And we can just put the outer ring on there now. Just squeeze it back together. And of course, put your key back in there. And with that, you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We'll have you covered with a video just like this one, showing you how to replace the battery. And we have those videos for most of the car models out there, most of the major car models. And you can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.